Now, to launch it with a humble donation of Uganda shillings 300,000. Thank you so much.
Thank you for meaningfully wasting our time. We need to be having as a society. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to recognize the presence of our Happy Women's Day from me to you, University. Thank you so much for honoring my invitation.
My name is and I am a third year student. Is that okay? This is how it goes. Thank you. So that's the chorus. Very simple. So since I don't really have any music.
Very passionate people in this discussion. Thank you so much, Bonita. Kenneth Molinde, not yet around.
Yes, thank you for that question. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much, Mr. My name once again is Kata Jerry Karen. I am the field president of Jerry University. I am glad to be here and a good morning to you all.
To the members of society. So what we do also brings out what others do. That's number one. I don't want to blame the atheists so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It's very interesting how you make your point. Yeah, but since we don't have time, or what do you think is that thing that you can do in your AIDS topic? Because it is eating up our society and people are not, I feel, being as.
Thank you so much for that question, Mr. Day. Symposiums and several people and organizations are trying to come up to address the issue.
Let's listen from Kat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tilaway. You do not have to wear anything. So that is something as leaders we should look at. Yeah? Sexual harassment in universities will actually reduce because the boys will not be seduced and be done, subjecting them to punishments, telling them on how to conduct themselves while they are mentor or your person you trust to talk to when things like this happen, and you do not have to come up in public to talk about it yourself. For example, on Twitter.
Take from there. Madam Steve.
Thank you so much, Mr. D.
Your biggest capital and asset is your self-worth. I was like, okay, I said no, but if that is going to cost me, well and good. So when I went and applied for district quotas, when I shared with a friend what happened, actually that was worse. Wedding rings, actually. When I went to, Gloria, come back, you're such an amazing girl. Little did I know that the comeback was because people were crowded at the offices and we wanted to create an avenue where they would abuse me. So when I actually went back like 4 times, I got frustrated. I was like, come on, I was the best girl. Someone should fight to give me scholarship. Very excited. If I could fly, I would, to just pick that stamp so that I know it's sealed. Going in the room, there is no stamp. I was like, wow. Then I got sweat immediately. I knew I was in trouble. Turning back, the door behind me is closed. And it says, Gloria, relax, we can talk this.
Employment Act, Uganda borrows so much from the International Labour Organization Act, and we have limited framework. So it's important that we adopt a policy. The policy that we do have with respect to universities, because I'm centering my discussion in how best we can combat this, is mostly on the Makerere University, and if you visit that policy, Makerere University, very comprehensive. So a guaranteed way to respond.
How about you use that power and that authority to do good? Mr. Fred Buronga said, can everyone become a good human? Become a good human and use your power well. If you're in position of not use it to explore.
And then if to talk about, I've had issues concerning, I was somewhere and a man made this back. It's, yeah, it's surprising, but this is also an aspect that is true and it's real and it is eating up society. So estimate her value and just call her out my blow. But most important also is being outspoken.
Because it's cumulative. As things were given, not worth giving attention to or paying attention to, but it is serious. Looking at the repercussions that come with it. You realize that, for example, a young girl like me who is trying to achieve my dreams and do my best to maybe create awareness on something, when I come to your office and I request you to help me, with something, or maybe I need a connection to someone, or maybe I need to meet someone, and then you tell me that in order for me to do this for you or to give you this, you must maybe do something. Yeah? You give me and I give you. What does that, leave with me as a young girl who is trying to do something?
And that's why we are all here and I want to applaud all of you.
Create that kind of bias in me that I would hate, doing something.
Give us a survey, the outcomes of a survey. We had a survey.
And this happens like if you want to have evaluation or a good appraisal at workplace, you must give into sex to satisfy someone. If you want a promotion, if you want a salary increment, you must do that so that you get that.
Uganda Christian University nga tulonkinga campaign ya tonkwatako. Ekigambo tonkwatako era kitegeeza nti tonkwatako era omuntu yandikukutteko naye nga tumugambye kukwatako oba nga tumuwadde lukisa wakukwatako. Ekyo nno ekintu tetutera kyogerako mu society naye nga kyetubadde tuli wano era ku UCU twagala kyogerako nti mu baana baffe abali ku university oba mu offices zonna ze tuliko nti omuntu akwatako oba n'ayagala webake naye nga in exchange for services tukyogereko tukirwanise era tulabe nti kituvaamu ffe nga abakulembeze b'enkya.
Erinnya lyange nyenze Kata Jerin Karin nga ndi muyizi ku Victoria University era nga nsoma mateeka. Nze guild president ow'omukaga ku Victoria University Kampala era nga leero tuli wano ku UCU tulaunchinga entry ya campaign gye bayise tonkwatako. Tonkwatako era ddala kitegeeza buntu butakukwatako, tokkiriza kunyigirizibwa. Gwe ng'omwana omuwala, gwe ng'omwana omulenzi, weewabaawo engeri yonna engeri gy'onyigirizibwamu mu mbeera eya sexual harassment oba sexual abuse oba sexual exploitation, tokkiriza kusirika, yogera era bekikwatako bajja kubeera nga bakukwasaganya. Naye senga aba leaders ba university tusazeewo twegatte wamu tujje for one common cause, tulwanyise okunyigirizibwa mu bayizi, mu baana, mu mikwano gyaffe, mu baganda bwaffe nga tulaunchinga campaign eno olunaku lwa leero era ng'egenda kubuna mu universities zonna. Okunyigirizibwa mu mbeera ey'obukaba oba sexual harassment kibeera mu bifo eby'enjawulo. Tukisanga mu universities, tukisanga mu masomero aga high school, tukisanga mu makanisa, tukisanga ne mu mizikiti. Era nga si kintu kya buvunaanyizibwa nnyo naye abantu bakifudde kya bulijjo kubanga kati kiri buli bwamu. Mu universities sexual harassment ebeerawo ng'omusomesa ayagala kuwa muyizi max naye ate ng'omuyizi tayagala kuwa musomesa ono kyekyo kyayagala. Ate abalenzi bo mu universities babeera sexually abused mu ngeri ey'ebintu bye balaba. Omwana omuwala ayinza okujja nga yambadde akateteeyi nga kampi nnyo oba nga ka blouse katangaala nnyo, omwana omulenzi n'anyigirizibwa. Omusajja asinga kukabasanyizibwa nga actually akyali mwana muto. Abalenzi abato, abavubuka abato bakulasanyizibwa nga bantu abakulu aba abakazi oba omukozi ewaka oba omuntu yenna gw'abeera naye alina by'ayagala okumukozesa bw'atyo n'abeera nga akuluusanyizibwa mu mbeera eyo. Naye ebiseera ebisinga obungi abalenzi tebakuluusanyizibwa nga bakuze. Naye n'abo ababeera ba victims b'ekyo batera okutendewalira okwogera kubanga batya nti no bo ng'abalenzi babeera batya mu eyo embeera ne basirika, so ng'oluusi nabo babeera banyigirizibwa mu ngeri emu oba endala.
Nga akabasanyiziddwa omuzadde tolina muvumirira, tolina munenya, tolina mugambako bintu ebitasaanidde. Tugeze bamukutte oba tugeze waliwo ekikyamu ekituuseewo, omuzadde kyolina okukola mu buyinza bwo olina okuteekawo embeera enandeetera omwana wo okuwulira nti nno kyakoze si kibi okujja okugamba. Akabasanyiziddwa oba bamukutte oba waliwo ekikyamu ekituuseewo, omuzadde wooli omuntu mulala oba famire yooli oba omuntu yenna abadde avunaanyizibwako ku kikolwa ekyo najja n'agamba omani temundoopa kambaweyo kembawaayo muleme kundoopa mu mbuga z'amateeka. Ekintu ekyo si kirungi wadde kikyamu era tukivumirira. Omuntu ng'akoze ekikyamu balina obimuteeka mu mbuga z'amateeka.